Welcome to the ultimate foldable showdown featuring the Honor Magic V5 and the Vivo X Fold5. Both pack stunning foldable LTPO AMOLED displays with 120Hz refresh rates, but which one truly dominates in screen size and brightness? We'll dive into powerhouse Snapdragon chipsets, camera setups with periscope telephoto lenses, battery endurance, and price points. Which device offers the best value for your money? Can the Honor's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite outpace the Vivo Snapdragon 8 Gen 3? And when it comes to photography and video, does 8K recording on the Vivo trump the Honor's 10-bit 4K? Stick around, because by the end, we'll ask the burning question: is the pricier Honor Magic V5 worth the premium, or does the Vivo X Fold5 deliver smarter innovation for less? Let's unfold the facts. In the camera department, the Vivo X Fold5 stands out with a 50MP periscope telephoto lens featuring OIS at f2.6 and an 85mm focal length, offering superior optical zoom quality compared to the Honor Magic V5's 64-megapixel periscope lens at 70mm without OIS. This means Vivo's telephoto shots are sharper and more stable, perfect for crisp zoomed-in photos. When it comes to screen real estate, the Vivo X Fold5 edges out slightly with an 8.03-inch foldable display compared to Honor Magic V5's 7.95 inches, giving you a bit more immersive viewing space and a higher screen-to-body ratio of 90.9% versus 88.8%. That extra real estate makes a difference for media and multitasking. The Honor Magic V5 boasts a more aggressive CPU setup with 2 cores clocked at 4.32 GHz in its octa-core Orion V2 Phoenix configuration, delivering potentially faster peak performance than Vivo's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU cores topping out at 3.3 GHz. This can translate to snappier responsiveness in demanding tasks. Vivo X Fold5 offers a slightly sharper display resolution of 2200 by 2480 pixels, some 413 pixels, compared to Honor Magic V5's 2172 by 2352 pixels, some 403 ppi, providing crisper visuals and finer detail, enhancing your viewing experience, especially on such large foldable screens. The Honor Magic V5 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process, which is more power-efficient and cutting-edge compared to Vivo's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 at 4nm. This newer chipset promises better performance per watt and longer battery life under heavy use. Battery capacity favors the Vivo X Fold5 with a 6000 mAh cell versus Honor Magic V5's 5820 mAh. That extra juice means longer usage between charges, which is critical for power users who rely on their foldables all day. Both devices feature foldable LTPO AMOLED screens with 1 billion colors and 120Hz refresh rates, but the Honor Magic V5 peaks higher at 5000 nits brightness, outperforming Vivo's 4500 nits peak. This translates to better visibility under direct sunlight on the Honor. Selfie cameras are nearly identical at 20-megapixel wide-angle sensors, but the Honor Magic V5 uses an f2.2 aperture, which is slightly wider than Vivo's f2.4, potentially allowing a bit more light for brighter selfies in low-light conditions. In terms of durability, both phones offer IP58, IP59 dust and water resistance, but the Vivo X Fold5 goes a step further with certification for high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 3 meters for 30 minutes, making it more rugged for extreme conditions. Memory options are similar, but the Honor Magic V5 offers up to 16 GB RAM with a 1 TB storage variant, slightly edging Vivo's max 16 GB RAM but with a smaller 512 GB cap. This could matter for users needing massive storage. Video capabilities shine on the Vivo X Fold5 with 8K recording at 30 FPS, surpassing the Honor Magic V5's 10-bit 4K at 60 FPS. For creators craving ultra-high-resolution footage, Vivo delivers the cutting edge here. Price is a decisive factor. The Vivo X Fold5 comes in at $990, significantly more affordable than the Honor Magic V5's $1,260. This price gap could sway buyers looking for premium foldable tech without breaking the bank.